Good morning, Year 7. Sorry I can't be there today. I'm actually downstairs introducing a new class of Year 12 students to the world of computing. So instead, I've created this video to introduce you to your challenge for today. Following on from last lesson, we're going to look at the property of shapes and quadrilaterals. And your challenge today is to explain the difference between quadrilaterals. So my first question for you is, what is a square? Most people would say it's a shape with four sides. So, is that a square? No? What's wrong with it? Oh, it's going to have straight sides. Okay, so that's a square. No. So when we're talking about shapes, we've got to make sure that our instructions, our details, are very accurate. So what makes a square a square? What makes it unique? One of our first properties, apart from having four sides, is that we know that all the sides are the same length. But that alone doesn't give us a square. What shape is this one? It has four sides, and all the sides are the same length. This one's a rhombus. So what's different between a rhombus and a square? Well, a square has all right angles in it. So if we have a shape with four sides, all the sides are the same length, and all the angles are right angles, then we must have a square. They're the properties that make this shape unique. Now, there's one other property we can use just to check to see if this is actually a square, and that is that it has four lines of symmetry. If our shape has all three of these properties, all the sides are the same length, all the angles are right angles, and it has four lines of symmetry, then it must be a square. And this is your challenge. You're going to work in groups of 4 to 5 people each. No squabbling, but I'll let you choose them. Each group must have an iPad though, because you're going to make a video to convince me that the shape you are given is actually your shape. The rules are that you must finish in the lesson. There will be no extension on this, so if you don't finish in the lesson, you may like to consider doing this as a homework task. The maths must be clear. Okay, remember this is not a music video. We are making a video here to explain a mathematical fact. You will be presenting your work on Wednesday, where I will try and draw the shape that you describe in your video. Do try and make it interesting though. I will be giving out merits for presentation and extra effort that goes into this, and I will expect work from all of you. The topics you can be given are all quadrilaterals: square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, and trapezium. Every group must have a different topic. I don't want two groups doing the same shape, because that'll just cause too much crossover. If you can't decide, then whoever the teacher is will be helping you to decide which topic your group has. If you fancy an extra challenge, you could try producing a video that shows the difference between two of the shapes. So, what's the same and different about them? If you chose a square and a rectangle, yeah, they both have four sides. Yeah, they both have four right angles, but what are the differences between them? There'll be extra merits available for this high level of challenge because it shows a higher level of understanding. Try to make sure that you're using keywords such as length, angles, and parallel. Any other words that you can put in will make it sound that much more professional. So good luck, Year 7. I look forward to seeing the results of your videos.